In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can dock your Nintendo Switch 2. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we could help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Now, to set up the dock, what you're going to want to do is look in the back of the dock first and just remove the cover to access all those ports. And you're going to see a USB-C port. This is going to power the dock, and you're also going to see an HDMI port, which will connect to the TV. Obviously, plug that USB-C port power cable into the dock and then into a wall outlet using the official adapter or a high quality power cable. From here, plug one end of the HDMI cable into the dock and the other end into your TV, and grab your Switch 2, make sure it's facing the correct direction. The screen should face the front of the dock where the logo is, and just gently lower the console straight down in the dock. As soon as it's seated, the Switch 2 screen will turn black, and you'll see a small green light up at the top of the dock. That essentially means that the Switch is now successfully in docked mode. From here, what you're going to want to do is turn on your TV, switch to the correct HDMI input, and your Nintendo Switch 2 screen should now appear on your TV. You can use your Joy-Cons or a Pro Controller to control everything while docked. And if you want to tweak video settings, you can go into your system settings by scrolling down right here, selecting that, and then finding display if you scroll down a little bit. Just like so. From here, you can adjust resolution, refresh rate, or other display options. If nothing is showing up on your TV though, check the power cable, make sure you've selected the correct HDMI input, try maybe using a different HDMI cable since sometimes the cable itself can be an issue. But overall, it really is as simple as that. That is, you can dock your Nintendo Switch 2. If this guide did help you out, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.